How do you understand Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle in microbes in 2 minutes? Let's do it. Okay, first of all, forget that this is happening in a microbe. This is happening in you right now. You have mitochondria in your cells that do the citric acid cycle, also known as Krebs cycle. And it's in the mitochondria where the magic happens. You start with one molecule of acetyl-CoA. This is a 2-carbon molecule that enters the cycle and combines with a 4-carbon molecule called oxaloacetate to make a 6-carbon molecule called citrate. That's why this cycle is also known as the tricarboxylic acid cycle. So citrate is going to undergo a series of chemical reactions where it's oxidized or loses electrons. And this happens in 3 steps. First, citrate is converted to isocitrate. Then isocitrate is converted to alpha-ketoglutarate. And finally, alpha-ketoglutarate is converted to succinyl-CoA. Now each time it goes through the cycle, you're generating one molecule of ATP, which is the energy currency of the cell, one molecule of NAD, which is an electron carrier, and one molecule of FADH₂, which is another electron carrier. So once you get to this step with succinyl-CoA, you can either continue the cycle by converting succinyl-CoA to succinate, or you can do something else. Succinate can be converted to fumarate, then to malate, and finally to oxaloacetate, which will allow you to start a new cycle. And you can use these molecules to generate even more energy through the electron transport chain, which we're not going to talk about in this video. But here's the key. When you're doing cellular respiration, which is the process of making ATP in the presence of oxygen, you want to generate more oxaloacetate. So you take pyruvate from glycolysis, convert it to acetyl-CoA, and then you feed that into the cycle. But when there's no oxygen, you don't want to make oxaloacetate because there's no way to get rid of it. So the cycle stops at this point and you get a buildup of oxaloacetate. That's enough Krebs cycle for now. If you want to learn more about cellular respiration, check out the links below, and don't forget to subscribe.